In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your mailing list into HubSpot. If you've ever struggled with getting your contacts into HubSpot seamlessly, this step-by-step guide is here to ensure a smooth transition, so let's get started. First things first, we need to navigate to the HubSpot homepage. Open your web browser and head over to www.hubspot.com. You'll see a vibrant homepage that introduces you to the vast array of tools HubSpot offers for your business. While it might be tempting to explore right away, let's stick to our task at hand. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Look towards the top right corner of the page for the login button and give it a click. You'll then be prompted to enter your login credentials. It's important to make sure your login details are correct to avoid any unnecessary hiccups. After successfully logging in, you'll be directly taken to HubSpot's home. Think of this as your command center where you have all the control and functionality you need. Once in your HubSpot account, it's time to navigate to the CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management. This is where you manage your contacts, among many other things. You'll find a navigation menu, look for the CRM option and click on it. This will guide you to the section where you can access your contact lists. Now we focus on our objective, importing your contacts. Within the CRM section, find the tab labeled Lists and click on it. This is the area where all of your contact lists are typically housed. You should see an import button here, which is key to our progress today. When you click on import, you're commencing the path to adding your new contacts. The next step is to initiate the actual import process by selecting import a file. Clicking this option opens up a window where you can choose the file that contains your mailing list. Make sure that your file is properly formatted, usually in a CSV format so HubSpot can read it accurately. It's always a good idea to double check the data in your file to prevent errors during the import. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully begun the process of importing your mailing list into HubSpot. Remember, if at any point you hit a roadblock, HubSpot's support documentation is a treasure trove of information that can guide you further. Importing your mailing list should now be one less thing to worry about, so you can focus on what truly matters, engaging with your audience in meaningful ways. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.